Hi everyone, I thought I'd show you what I look for when I collect dahlia seed. It's probably a little bit late in the season to be doing this, but we've been away, so I'll show you what my dahlias look like now. They look fairly hideous, so if you've left your dahlias in the garden, yours will be looking the same, but it is a good time now to collect the seed before you cut them back in readiness for next year. And I'll show you what a typical dahlia seed head looks like, what you're looking for in the seed, and what to avoid. So this is generally what my dahlias look like. We've had a little bit of a frost, but all the flower heads have gone over, and what you need to concentrate on is, there's Scrappy in the background, a seed head. We'll see if the phone will focus. That looks like this, and it looks a little bit like a nose. It's got that elongated shape. Now this is not ready to harvest, but this gives you a general idea of what you're looking for when it comes to the shape of the dahlia seed head. Now a lot of your dahlias will also look a little bit like this, where you see the mucky head of the flower sitting on the end of the seed head. If you give that some time to dry out, and that's a bit tricky at this time of year because we are due for some frosts, that will dry out and that will form a seed head also. You can see on this plant here, this has quite a lot of seed heads, and what you're looking for is something that looks like this. So something that it's the nose shape and it's opened up, it's quite spiky, and I'll pull that off and I'll show you what the seeds look like. So this is that nose shape. You can see this is where the flower used to be, and if you open that up, and you know when seeds are ready generally, as a general rule, when they offer you their seeds really easily, so you don't have to force them, and you'll see that these are all the dahlia seeds inside. Now not all seed heads are going to have viable seed. Okay, so what you're looking for is a seed, and I'm probably not using the correct terminology, but a kernel inside the seed. And it's this kernel, this black kernel, this is probably not even viable. See how it looks fairly hollow? But a plump version of that is what you'll collect, and that's what you'll plant next year. So what I suggest is you collect as many seed heads as you can. Put them in an old baking tray, let them dry out, especially if we're getting some heavy dews at the moment. Otherwise they'll go mouldy. And then next year, have a look at what viable seeds you have. And if you're not sure, just plant them and see what happens. They won't come up if they're not viable. And you can have your own dahlias next year. Like all things grown from a seed, what you grow from the dahlia seed won't be like its parents. So it'll be whatever the bees pollinated, it'll bring those characteristics into the dahlia that eventuates from that seed. But it's fun to grow from seed. That's where all the new varieties come from. So give it a go. Have a look at your dahlias if you've still got them in your garden. If not, don't worry. I'm going to collect lots of seed today and over the weekend. And if I've got spare seed, I'll just put it on my Facebook page, and I'll have some to give away. So yeah, but by all means go out and see what you've got and give it a go. Thanks for watching.